Okay, so a new video. Today we're taking a look at this website that I've been seeing quite a lot on my comments from my previous videos, right? So recently I released this video over here talking about the new surveys that have been released on Hashing Space. So most of you on this channel, you probably know what I'm talking about when I refer to Hashing Space. But Hashing Space is a place where you get paid for basically clicking on ads day in day out, right? So whenever you want, you can go click ads and then you get paid in what they call the Asimi token, which is like a cryptocurrency just for that platform, right? So it's being expanded and being used on different ways, but basically I've seen that a lot of people are commenting about this website over here. It's called SurveyTime.me. So this is probably like a referral link or something like that, but basically I wanted to check out what is this all about, because this are not the only people who've actually commented about this website. It's quite a lot, but shout out to Alexo, shout out to Alejandro, and shout out to Lene for sharing this previously on this video. So I believe these people are actually getting paid. I mean, why would they share something that is not actually paying, right? Why would they share something that is wasting time? So looking at this, especially this person has got 200 subscribers, so they're probably sharing with this because they found some success with it and they want to get some referral commissions, right, for this website, right? So this is why I believe that this website is actually legit. So personally, I haven't actually tried it yet, but I recently joined yesterday, actually, to be exact. I joined it yesterday and I'm still trying to complete some of the surveys so that I can update you when I get paid. But if you're watching this video and you've actually received a payment from this website, please let me know in the comment section down below. Just comment that you've received a payment from this website. So it's called SurveyTime.me, but actually when you go to the actual website, it's actually SurveyTime.io. So how it works, basically you sign up and answer a short list of questions to create your profile, which I did yesterday. It's actually pretty quick, and then you complete your survey selected specifically to match your profile. So make sure you have a profile that actually that is needed for a lot of surveys, right? It doesn't have to be true, but if it's true and you still get it to match a lot of surveys, then that's a good thing. But I would recommend that you do something that you know that they are looking for, right? So if they're looking for people around the age of 30, 30 to 40 years old from a certain location, just make sure that you create your profile specifically to match that person, so that you get the most surveys from this website. Otherwise you might never ever get a survey. So just a quick note from what I've been noticing from doing these surveys from other websites like Mobrog and Hashing Space and so forth. But there's just one thing that I can share with you about surveys, right? And then the best thing why I actually decided to share with you this is they promise $1 immediately for each survey that you complete. So for each survey that you complete, you get paid $1. And it's actually instant, so it will be instantly paid to your PayPal account. I think PayPal, most definitely they have a PayPal paying out system, so I think they will be straight to your PayPal account, right? So you just have to go through the questions. Once you're done with the questions, then you will be able to get started, right? So let me just see if I can go back to my dashboard and show you how it actually looks on the dashboard. But basically, once you log in, you'll be able to get started, right? So the links is going to be down below. I don't know if it's going to be an affiliate link or it's just going to be a direct link, but as I said, I haven't actually been paid from this website before, so I don't know if you have been paid before. Just let me know in the comments down below so that I can get some confirmation, right? So but as I said, I'm also going through it. I've set up my account, I'm going through it. As soon as I get paid, I'll do a quick video updating you guys on whether it's actually paying or not. But looking at the comments that I've got on the channel, so many of them, I believe that this website is actually legit, right? So you can get started with it and then do your thing. Just you just pick things that are relevant to most surveys, what people are actually looking for, right? So if you're looking, I think most of these should at least be at least 100 people. When you're looking at approximately the amount of people that are working in a company, you want something that is suitable for surveys, right? Something that that these people will be looking for, right? So once you get everything sorted out and you once you get everything sorted out and you are ready, you can go now. You'll be able to access your dashboard and be able to see some surveys that are available for you. So right now, unfortunately, you're not able to complete the surveys. Seems like you we don't have new service for you and all that stuff. So you can actually enable notifications for you to receive notifications when there are surveys available, right? So let's just go back to you have to click on allow, and then you will see it, right? So you click on allow, and then you'll be able to see those surveys when they're available. But let's just see if I can go back to my dashboard quickly to show you how that looks like. Otherwise, I think that's just that's all that there is to talk about this website, to be honest. There's not much that I can say about it, but it seems good. It seems legit. As I said again, please let me know in the comment section if you've used this website and you are familiar with it, and you've been paid with it, so that I can actually put a bit more effort into it, and then make more videos about it. But thanks for watching this video, this short quick video. If you're not already part of the family, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and click on the bell to turn on notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.